Well, welcome back to the Steve Robb Show. Guys, I posted an Instagram video about a year ago this time, and I've had quite a few questions asking me, are you out of your mind or what? Like, what is that contraption you've got on your snowblower? Guys, I'm going to play this vid from last year, just a small little Instagram video, and I'm going to show you what this is all about. Well, how you doing? This is the first snowfall of the year, and the machine is on the hoist, and first time I get out there, give her a good pull, guess what happens? Oh yeah! Okay, there we go. Just show you a little bit of what's going on here. See the muffler in the back there? Original muffler, guys. This is a 1993 model, and it's got the Tecumseh engine on it. As far as I'm concerned, one of the best engines ever made. And all this is you guys can guess, because I'm going to show you what it is in a minute here. I'll just give you a good look here and go around the machine. Guys, there she is right there. You guys take a good guess at what that is. But all it does is it prevents the snow from building on top, because a lot of times the snow would build on top next to the head there, drip down, and from all the heat from the muffler, and go on the carburetor linkages underneath. Guys, it wasn't good. It's okay if you don't have much snow in your area, but if you get a lot of snow, yeah, it would melt down and it would freeze up on the carburetor linkages, and it would either make your machine run real bad while you're using it, or when you shut it off, it would all run the water down there, and the next time you tried to start it up, your carburetor was all iced up underneath. Today they have a lot better shielding going around them, but I think that's a good little fix if you have one of these older machines. Well, I don't know how many of you guys are going to be able to incorporate that into your machine. How many of these 1993s are around? But just the idea of it, putting a little bit of shielding around there, makes a big difference. Guys, this is what I've been using. And the only thing metal on this is the bottom. This is all cardboard now, the old Maxwell House cans. And I've used them for so many different things, and you know, they come in handy. And for a little thing like that, that's been on there a good 15 years easy, guys. And all I did was, it was just this color here underneath, and I just put a little bit of a high heat paint on it, put a little bit of a, you could see that there's like a little bit of a shield on the top there that I made, kind of kept more of the heat inside. And it's worked out fantastic for me. So it's good to do some of these little, I think they're kind of a little on the rough side, but you know, I'm a little on the rough side myself. So thanks for joining here today. Subscribe if you haven't. Come back again. Let's have some more fun, guys. Cheers.